If you're tired of struggling with peeling and coring fruits like kiwis, mangoes, and even soft veggies, the Kiwi Slicer Peeler Pitter Scooper is a game changer. In just a few seconds, this handy tool makes quick work of what used to be a tedious task. The unique design effortlessly scoops out the flesh of kiwis and other soft fruits. Wavy Potato Chopper effortlessly create beautifully crinkled and wavy cuts with the Wavy Potato Cutters. French Fry Slicer. Make fancy edges with the Wavy Cutter for versatile food preparation. Make your dishes more beautiful and attractive. Prepare patterned vegetables easily. Transform regular potatoes. If you're someone who loves hosting parties or just wants to elevate your fruit presentations, the 2PCS Melon Baller Scoop is a must-have kitchen tool. These double-headed stainless steel scoops are incredibly versatile, allowing you to create perfectly round melon balls for everything from watermelon to cantaloupe, and even ice cream. The stainless steel fruit carving knife is the perfect tool to help you carve out some culinary masterpieces. This V-shaped channel knife offers precision and control, allowing you to create intricate patterns, decorative edges, and beautiful designs on a wide range of fruits and vegetables. From watermelon flowers to cantaloupe spirals, this knife turns simple fruit into stunning edible art. The stainless steel fruit carving knife is a must-have for anyone who loves entertaining or wants to impress. Zuli Kitchen Premium Apple Corer Tool will change the way you think about fruit prep. This tool combines ultra-sharp, serrated stainless steel blades with a sleek, ergonomic design, making coring apples quicker, cleaner, and more precise than ever before. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to stay updated with the latest gadget reviews and exciting tech content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.